Ever wish your phone had superpowers, like instantly switching to the strongest cell signal, no matter where you are? US Mobile's new Multinetwork plan promises exactly that. Why euro the ability to hop between Verizon and T-Mobile. So, is it actually worth ditching your current provider? Let's break it down first. Head over to the US Mobile website and check your address to confirm Multinetwork compatibility in your area, as this service may not be available everywhere just yet. The main benefit is improved coverage. Imagine you're driving through a rural area. Verizon might have a stronger signal, so your phone automatically switches. Then you arrive in a city where T-Mobile's 5G is blazing fast. Why euro boom, instant switch for optimal speeds. However, keep in mind that the actual performance will depend on the network congestion in your area and the capabilities of your specific phone. Run speed tests on both networks in your commonly visited locations to get a real-world idea of the difference. Also, carefully consider your data needs. US Mobile offers various plans, and understanding your monthly usage is crucial to finding the best value. The US Mobile app allows you to monitor data consumption and manually switch between networks if needed, giving you control. Finally, let's talk cost. Compare US Mobile's Multinetwork plan pricing against your current provider. Factor in any potential savings from optimized data usage and improved coverage to determine if the switch makes financial sense for you. So, is US Mobile's Multinetwork worth it? If you frequently travel to areas with inconsistent coverage or value having the best possible connection, it's definitely worth considering. Especially after doing some research on coverage in your area. It's all about finding the sweet spot between coverage, performance, and price. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wireless tips.